Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would film one of those videos answering your assumptions about me. I asked you on Instagram what your assumptions were and I'm just going to address them. I know I'm a bit late on the bandwagon with this, but I do enjoy watching these videos. So the first one is that a night out on the town with you is a whole lot of fun. I'm gonna say yeah, I am a good drunk. I'm always on the dance floor, having a good time, living my life. I am that girl who makes friends in the toilets. Like the amount of times I've had a wee in front of a total stranger, too many to count. Like I will just drag a total stranger into the loo with me to have a chat. Surprisingly, no one has ever objected. And the amount of times that girls have just been like, oh, come and keep me company while I have a wee. Why is that a thing that we do? Is that like a northern thing? Do you girls do that? Have you done that? There are no nicer people in the world than drunk girls in the toilets of a bar or a club, in my opinion. Like, we all just lift each other up, tell each other we look amazing, do our makeup, have a little chat about life. I feel like if everybody behaved like a drunk girl in the toilets, then the world would be a better place, to be honest. Next one is, your flat is always tidy and clean. I actually live in my mum's attic while I'm saving up for my own place. Yes, it is always clean. No, it's not always tidy. I am so messy. I make a mess like everywhere I go. It's an actual joke, but I am quite meticulous on cleanliness. You're very down to earth and not scared to say your opinions, even on YouTube. That is true. I am very down to earth, if I do say so myself. I don't like arrogance in a person. Oh, that's not a nice trait at all. Yeah, I do always say my opinions, to be honest. I'm like that just in daily life as well. I think honesty is the best policy, unless it's a negative opinion, in which case, if you have to voice it, then I think voice it in a nice way, or if it's not helpful to a situation, then I just tend to keep that to myself. But generally, I think honesty is the best policy, and I'm the same with other people. I like to know where I stand with people. You're very picky when it comes to men. I am so picky when it comes to men. Like, it takes such a lot for me to actually like somebody, and it's very rare that it happens. So that is why I have been single for a really long time, but I'm just not willing to settle, to be honest. I do get that nobody's perfect. I'm not expecting perfection over here, but I just kind of know what I am like and what I want from a relationship or a person, and I'm just a woman who knows what she wants. You were the cool kid at school. Oh, no, like so far from it. I was so quiet and shy and awkward at school. I didn't have many friends. I had braces, which I insisted on wearing multicoloured bands on. Why did I do that? It wasn't a look. I had a weird wonky fringe for a long time. I was just the furthest thing from cool you could possibly get. You don't easily gain weight. I do actually gain weight fairly easily, but I will say that I lose it fairly easily as well. The only time I gain weight is when I really binge, and that tends to be like before my period or around Christmas or whatever, and I let myself go. Like, I let myself have all the bad stuff. This lie, oh my gosh, how long has that been like that for? I am so sorry, guys. I'm filming this in the morning when I don't normally film, so the sun is like coming through here. I do apologise. So yeah, when I let myself just indulge in everything I want, I will gain weight fairly easily because I usually eat very healthily. But I am lucky, I have quite a fast metabolism, so the second I start eating healthily, I will just lose weight within a few days, so I am lucky in that sense. That you are beautiful and have a very pure soul. That is the sweetest thing. Thank you so, so much. That is definitely what I would aspire to be. The pure soul thing, like, I'm not bothered about being beautiful, to be honest. I'd rather somebody thought that I had a beautiful soul than a beautiful face. You are of model's height. Oh my gosh, babe, like, so far from it. I am 5 foot and half an inch. Nah, unless it's like petite modelling, but I don't even think I cut that, to be honest. Maybe assume is the wrong word, but I thought you were younger than you are, like 24, 25. So many people assume that I'm younger than I am just because I look younger than I am. Honestly, without makeup on, I look about 15, which I'm not complaining about, to be honest. I am 29, I think I'm doing alright. Even though you're really open in your videos, I think you're pretty shy in real life. I can be, for sure. Like, There's definitely times when I feel shy. I was so shy as a child, like painfully shy. Even if someone would say hello to me, I wouldn't say hello back. I would just smile at them. I found it so difficult to interact with humans as a child. I'm definitely better now that I'm older, but I still have times when I do feel a bit shy. It's usually if I meet someone else who's shy, and you know, when two shy people come together and it's just a bit like, but generally I think I'm fine. Like, I am quite a chatty person, so if I meet someone else who's chatty, I tend to be fine. To be fair, I've been dating a guy recently, and on our second date I said that I was shy because he was like, oh, I always overthink things that I say, and I was like, yeah, me too, all the time. And he was like, I would never have thought that about you. So I think I must do a good job of hiding the fact that I'm nervous a lot of the time. That you've lost friends because you're doing YouTube. I've never lost any friends. No, I've definitely had people judge me, but they're not people who I had a particularly close relationship with or anything, or whose opinions I cared about, so it's never affected me in that way, thankfully. You're the most down-to-earth YouTuber and actually replied to your followers' DMs. That is very sweet. Thank you for saying I'm down-to-earth. I appreciate that. I do try my best to answer everyone's comments. I answer all of my YouTube comments. I answer all of my comments on my Instagram posts. I will say I'm not great at replying to DMs, just because, do you know when you don't follow somebody and you've got that bit where you've got to like approve people's messages? I always forget to go in there. I'll go in there like once every few weeks and I'm like, oh my god, like people have been DMing me, and then I feel terrible because I haven't messaged you guys back. So quite often I will reply to someone literally like 6 weeks after they've messaged me if it's like something important, because some of you guys ask me for advice and stuff like that, which I am so grateful for, so I'm so sorry if I've just not replied to one of you guys. But I think the best place to reach me if you just want to chat is on Twitter, to be honest. I don't like tweet a lot, but if somebody actually tweets me wanting to chat, then I am always here to chat to you guys. That you're amazing and lovely. That is cute. Thank you so much. That you're just as nice in person as you are in your videos. You guys are such babes. I love you so much. Thank you. That honestly means the world to me. And nobody gave me any bad assumptions. Buzzing with that. And I just want to say I am so sorry about the lighting in this video. I'm about to go out now. It's 9:30 in the morning. Bit earlier than I'm used to. But please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a cheeky little thumbs up if you did. And I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye.